Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. So I went to post office to send an order, and then it's already closed. I used the automatic serving machine, and nobody here. So I want to do an outfit of the day and just be a little bit silly. So here is a little bit of question I can. People still there are people passing by, and also do some automatic service. And this is public land. I can do video here. It opens 24 hours. Okay, so I am using front camera. I can see myself. I can see what is happening surrounding. And mostly, when I do video, I like to see myself. So how I talk, whether I am in the middle of the frame, it helps me to make the video more personal, more interactive, more face-to-face to talk. And another good thing about using the front side camera, I find that it has a better sound. For whatever reason, I feel use front camera every time I get a little bit better sound than if I use the back, the official camera. And this one is used just video mode. Now, later on, I will show you if I use cinematic mode, which make my face more in the center and the background blur a little bit. Okay, so now I am using cinematic mode. I think it's relatively get myself more in the center, and especially when the background is light, the cinematic mode can make it kind of a little bit glorifying yourself. And I am sorry, this is not a good, beautiful face. So, almost have a bumping. You can see there is a car just, yeah. Anyway, that's about it. Oh, yes. Now I will use the back camera. So this is a normal back camera. The camera is the back camera. And when you do someone not yourself in the focus, not someone particular in the focus, and it is better to use normal video mode. This way it gets everything that as much as possible, everything in clean view, clear view, nothing more glorified than others. So I did an outfit of the day. I put my camera actually here, put my cell phone on here, on top of here, and did my video. This is so silly. Okay, so this is again cinematic mode. I think you can see the background a little bit blurred. I cannot see because I didn't wear glasses. I wish you happy every day, be silly every day. In our life, we need this silliness. Today, I went back home and immediately fell asleep in the bright, beautiful sunshine. I was totally dead. because I was so exhausted. And then I was thinking, and then I woke up. To my surprise, I'm still alive. I am still alive. 死皮赖脸的活着。Okay, bye bye friends. I love you. I really do. Do 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 do. Bye bye.